Look at these gorgeous bath bombs. This is what we're gonna make. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to make bath bombs without citric acid. It is a little bit tricky, and I'll show you some little tricks that will help you succeed the first time. Also, at the end of the video, I will demonstrate the difference between bath bombs with citric acid and without.
Start with half a cup of bicarbonate of soda. Then add food coloring of your choice. Add lemon juice in a spray bottle and slowly add it while mixing. Add a different food coloring to another half a cup of bicarbonate of soda and just repeat the process. Take your bath bomb mold, or just cut in half Christmas bubble like I did, and overfill it. Do exactly the same with the other side. Put them together, press it really well and clean the excess. Then tap 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 and voila! Then play around as many times as you want with the different colors, layering however you desire, and just have fun. Now it's time to put them in water and see what happens. First, I'm gonna start with the bath bomb without citric acid. As you can see, when you put it in, it just drops straight to the bottom. It has a little bit of fizz, but it's not too much. And then in a few seconds, it just stops fizzing, and that's it. But it still colors the water, which is fun. Now, this is what a citric acid bath bomb looks like. As you can see, it has a lot of fizz and the bath bomb moves around all the time. Do keep away the bath bombs away from sunlight. I didn't keep mine, and that's why in the water there wasn't a lot of color. And do not get the composition too wet, as the bath bombs will crumble away.
Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know with a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, let me know in the comments below what other tutorials and homemade stuff you would like me to do.
And see you soon!